All right, here at UW Madison at Van Vleck building, or Van Vleck Hall, whatever you want to call it. Look at that very strange staircase exit from the building there. That's interesting. Anyway, apparently this is the math department building. Let's hope it's open. Yes. Seems that the buildings on this campus close later than earlier, which is nice. This is pretty. It's a lot of clock. Down to B3. Look, they got rid of the ThyssenKrupp logo. That's funny. Interesting. It's kind of small up on here, up on these upper floors. All right, down to 1. Call cancel button's a little broken. The halo's coming off. These are geared traction. I can hear the geared machines. Someone drew a little funny face on the doors. Now the face is getting separated.